Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, a critical error occurred, required OpenGL function is not available, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to go ahead and download this OpenGL and Vulkan compatibility pack on your computer. So once you're done downloading it, you're going to go ahead and install it on your computer. So it will start downloading it, and once it's done downloading, it's going to install it. And after it's done installing, now you can go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hytale, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that OpenGL error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.